Today we will learn how to assemble our Roman blind system, or in short, our RBS system. This is great for workrooms, commercial projects, and residential projects alike. There are 5 integral parts needed to complete a Roman blind system. You'll need a headrail, a rod, a control unit or clutch, cord roll supports, and bead chain. First things first, I prefer assembling it slightly off a table. Now what you're going to do, you're going to have your headrail, and ideally the way the system works is you have your headrail, your rod will go inside, and your cord roll supports will slide on to the rod inside of the headrail. This means there's no winding of cords, anything like that. So, we're going to start by placing our rod inside the channel. Next, we will take our cord roll, and we will always make sure that the string is coming out of the top. After that, we're going to make sure that our inside position is completely square, and we will slide it onto the track. Now, you'll see it will fit into the individual grooves. Next, I'm going to open our control unit bag. Your control unit comes with your control unit, two screws for the control unit, and 1 screw to tighten it to the headrail. It also comes with a brass fitting. Now this brass fitting is designed to lock your last cord roll into place. Sometimes you'll need your screwdriver to loosen up the screw. You'll slide this onto your rod. And this one's so short that I'm just going to use 2 drums. We usually recommend a drum every 10 to 12 inches. So I've got everything straightened out here. Gonna feed it through just like before. And I'm going to pop my end cap on to the back side. This step, I'm going to take both cord rolls all the way to the end, and then pull back the next one. This will get the brass fitting where it needs to be. And I will simply tighten that down. This is where your clutch comes in. Your clutch will fit on to the end of your Roman. So it will fit directly into the hole. You will take your screw, lock it in place. Now it has a hole on the top of the clutch. This is where you will feed your string through. Your next step is positioning your cords. Ideally, for my scenario with 2 drums, I'm going to position them at each end. Just like the clutch, you'll put your screw that is included in each bag of cord rolls. Tighten this down. Next, we're going to tighten down our other cord roll support and lock it in place. Now we're going to put our endless bead chain on. This step, I always like to turn it over. It doesn't come with screws here. This is for a reason. What you will do is pull it back, feed your bead chain in, and then you will screw it in place. Now when I take my bead chain out, you can see that you can easily pull up and down on the chain.